Hello everyone, let's start our class again. So we learned some Katakana vocabulary in the last class. Let's continue with that. We'll learn to write few countries just as England. England is called Igiris. So Igiris is England. We know how to write India, right? What do we say India in Japanese? Is Indo. Indo is. So this is how we write Indo, India. Next we will learn Thailand. This is Thailand is Thai in Japanese. Now what is shirt in Japanese? In the last class we did necktie, but what is shirt? Shirt is called shatsu. Shi, small ya and then tsu. Shatsu is shirt. Shi, small ya and tsu. Next we will learn how to say spoon in Japanese. Su, pu, elongation and then nasal sound n. Spoon is spoon. Next is knife. Na, e, fu. Knife is for knife. And then fork. Fu, small o to make it fo, then elongation and ku. Fork is for fork. Next is karaoke. So these days these things are very popular among the youngsters. Karaoke. Ka, ra, o and then k. There is very minute difference between k and ku. Ku is this, k is this one. So this is K. Karaoke. Next is juice. She, then we will put then it will become G, then small u to make it ju, then elongation and then su. Juice. Next is report. Report or assignment in Japanese is called reporto. Re, po, elongation, to. Reporto. Next is concerto. Ko, concert is called concerto. So today we have done few katakana. Let's read it. Igirisu for England, Indo, India, Thai, Thailand, shatsu for shirt, spoon, spoon, knife for knife, fork, fork, karaoke, that karaoke, juice is for juice, reporto is report or assignment, and then concerto for concert. Now let's start where we left in the last class. We were doing forms of verb in the negative form or in the past form. So we learned ikimasu. Ikimasu will change into, if we want to change it into a negative, it will change into ikimasen. If you want to change it into past, it will change into ikimashita. And if we want to change this verb into a negative past, how will we change it? Then negative past will be ikimasen. We'll copy it from here, the negative, and for past we will put deshita. So this is negative form, negative and past both. Okay, so let's make a sentence. I didn't go to Japan. I haven't gone to Japan. No, I didn't go to Japan. Wata Shiva Nihon e Iki Masen Deshita. Watashi wa I Nihon e to Japan. Ikimasen deshita. Didn't go. Next, we'll take example of again another verb, tabemas. I didn't eat fish or Japanese food or sushi. So tabemas negative is tabemasen. Negative and then the past form would be tabemashita. Negative past would be tabemasen deshita. So this is negative past. Okay, so let's make a sentence. I did not eat sushi in Japan. Okay, so let's focus. In Japan means Japan is a place where the action was supposed to take place of eating sushi. So Japan is a place of action here. So remember we have done particle de for place of action. So now the topic is I, which is watashi. Topic particle is wa and Japan will come here. Nihon, place of action, particle de. Watashi wa Nihon de sushi. Object, object particle o. So this is place of action, this is object, and the verb is tabemas. It will change into tabemasen deshita. Okay, next if we want to make it with kairimasu. Kairimasu is to return. So how to make? Father didn't return to home. Father is chichi. Chichi wa uchi e kairimasen deshita. Kairimasu will change into first negative kairimasen and then the past deshita. Chichi wa uchi e kairimasen deshita. So this is how we'll change any verb into past negative. Mas will change into masen and then we'll have to add deshita to make it past negative. Next we are going to learn a pattern that is called Mada. Mo means already. Okay, when something is done. Okay, and Mada is still or not yet. Okay, you can say. So suppose we put a question using mo. So if you want to say mo nemashita ka, have you slept? Nemas is to sleep. And if I want to ask someone, my friend, mo nemashita ka? Okay, so it would mean, have you slept, or have someone slept? I can't ask the person only. Nemashita ka, maybe a child. Okay, so mo kodomo wa nemashita ka? Question, right? Then the answer would be, if the person has slept, hai. Mo nemashita, yes, slept already. Okay, hai, mo nemashita. But if the answer is negative, so this was first answer, answer 2 could be iie. Mada desu. Mada desu is not yet. Iie mada desu. Okay, now you can elaborate that answer. So if someone has said mo nomimashita ka, okay, have you drunk, or any other verb we can use. Mo kairimashita ka. This is the question. So there could be 2 answers. First answer could be yes, hai, kairimashita. Okay, yes, I have returned, I came back. But if you have not returned, okay, and someone asks you mo kairimashita ka, then your answer will start with iie. Iie is no. Iie mada desu. Mada desu, not yet. Iie mada desu. Now you can elaborate the answer with kore kara. Kore kara is now onwards. Okay, so now I am going to return. So kore kara kairimasu. Okay, kore kara kairimasu. So now I will return. So this is how we use pattern mo and mada. So mo, any question you are putting forward, okay, have you done this, have you slept, have you read, have you done, and the reply could be yes, hai, I have done, shimashita. Or you can say iie mada desu, no, not yet. We have also done how to invite in Japanese, right? So that is also asked in a negative term, using the negative form of the verb. For example, we ask, Issho ni ikimasen ka? Will you not come together? Issho ni, together. Ikimasen ka, won't come? Will you not come? So the answer is, if the person is saying issho, okay, I am going to some place, issho ni ikimasen ka. So if this is the question, answer would be first, hai, ikimasho. Ikimasho is a volitional form of the verb, okay, where you show your will, you are willing to do, okay, that is called volitional form, and that is ikimasho. Masho you change, okay, from mas to masho. But if you are not ready for that, you'll say iie, okay, ikimasen ka. You never reply with iie, you actually say chotto, something like that. You never say very upfront and You never say no very directly in Japanese. Okay, so that is the culture. Hi. So let's learn about the volitional form. Again, ikimasu we did. Okay, let's do it with kaerimasu. Ikimasu changes into ikimasho. Similarly, kaerimasu will change into kaerimasho. So mas will change into masho, and it would mean let's, the verb. So kaerimasen ka, want you return? Kaerimasho, yeah, let's return. Or want you watch? If you are watching want to watch a movie, issho ni mimasen ka. Suppose you want to say, want you come to watch movie together? Issho ni mimasen ka. Mimas is to watch. Then your reply could be hi, yes, hi, mimasho, and answer 2 could be chotto tsugo ga warui no desu ga. Tsugo ga warui. Tsugo is convenience and warui is bad. So it is not convenient for me. So this is how you change from mas to masho, which is volitional form of verb, to show your will. Next we will learn about adjectives. There are mainly 2 types of adjective, mainly, okay, and those are called E-type adjective and Na-type adjective. Okay, so E-type adjective are those adjectives which are ending with E. For example, takai. Takai is high or expensive, both. Atsui, which is thick and hot, both. Then yasui, which is cheap. Na-type adjectives are those which are not the E-type. It can end with anything. So shinsetsu is kind. It is a Na-type adjective. Nigiyaka is a Nigiyaka means lively. It is a Na-type adjective. Then shizuka, it is quiet. Then benri, which is convenient. Then fuben, which is inconvenient. It's the opposite of it. Okay, inconvenient. So these are 2 different types of adjective mainly used in Japanese language. Now we'll learn how to use them. So E-type adjective, let's learn. It's very simple, you can put it anywhere. So if you want to say mountains are high in Japan, in India, or wherever, or my phone is expensive. The best is my phone is expensive. how will you say? My phone will be watashi no keitai denwa. Wa takai desu. Okay. So, watashi no keitai denwa, which is phone, mobile phone, wa takai desu. Right. Next we can say, my chair is new. Okay. So, watashi no chair is isu. Wa new is ata rashi desu. So, any object you can put object wa, E type adjective, and desu. So, that is the formula. Next is, suppose you want to put any object after the E type adjective. So, atarashi, denwa is new phone. We are talking about atarashi, which is new, and then we are talking about phone, which is denwa. So, atarashi denwa is new phone. If we say high mountain, then we can write takai yama. If we want to say a sunny hot day, then atsui hi. If we want to put E type adjective before the object, how do we use it? Suppose we want to use yasui, which means cheap. So, first way of using it, this is a cheap pen, okay, or pen is cheap. Pen wa yasui desu. Next way of using it is very similar. If we are saying cheap pen, it will be yasui pen wa kore desu. Cheap pen is this. If you want to say high mountain is Everest or Fuji. No, Mount Fuji in Japan is the highest mountain. So, we can say takai yama wa what? Fuji-san desu. Fuji-san desu. Takai yama, high mountain. Fuji-san desu is Mount Fuji. San is the suffix for mountain. Highest peak in Japan is Mount Fuji. So, if you want to add highest, you can say Ichiban. Ichi is 1, ban is number. So, highest peak in Japan is Mount Fuji. Next, we learned about na type adjective. Okay. So, na type, we know it is shinsetsu, benri. Okay. So, shinsetsu is kind. If you want to say that my mother is kind, so haha wa shin setsu desu. We say haha wa shin setsu desu. Mother is kind. Now if we want to say chair is convenient, isu wa benri desu. Chair is convenient. Now suppose we want to put na type adjective before any object. Then how we will use it? If we want to say convenient chair, or convenient in Japanese is benri and chair is isu. If we want to put benri before isu, how we will use it? My sentence is convenient chair is this. This is kore. So benri na isu wa kore desu. Convenient chair is this. So basically when na type adjectives comes before any object, it will take particle na. So in between particle na will come. If we want to say Mr. Tanaka is a kind person. So Tanaka-san wa kind is shin setsu. Since it is a na type adjective, we need to put na if it is coming before an object. So shin setsu na person is hito. So we will write shin setsu na hito desu. If we want to say Paris is very lively, or Japan is very quiet place, quiet country. So how we will write? Japan is a quiet country. Then Nihon wa shizuka na. Shizuka is quiet. Na will come before country. Country is kuni. Shizuka na kuni desu. So this is how we use particle na. Na is used as a particle here. So this is how we use particle na after na type adjective when it is coming before a noun. So we have learned today adjective e type and adjective na type. We can continue this class in the next class. Thank you.